So I've just received a parcel in the post and I was going to rip through it and I thought, no, hang on, I will do a video on this one. So here we go. Okay. Okay, so this is a new water filter. I'm really excited about this one. I know it's really sad, isn't it? You get to an adult and you get excited about water filters, but it is what it is. So this is a new one and it's glass. I've never seen a glass one before. And there's silicone on the bottom. And this is obviously plastic, it just has to be. But there's something quite special about this one and I will open it and show you. So once you've opened it up, take the lid off, and then this is the filter, and unlike most other filters, it's refillable. And this is what this is for. So you fill this up, and then you get refill packs, so you never have to buy filters again. Well, you buy that bit, but you don't have to buy the plastic ones. So I've got the old Phox one because I was looking at water filters and I wanted one that was alkalizing because at the time we lived in high acid water, so soft water, and we'd come from alkaline water, which is the hard water where you get the lime scale, and you can see here the deposits now because we've moved back to a lime scale place. But when we were in the acid place, I got this. I know, very complicated, because I function better as a human being when my water is harder, no jokes intended, than when it's softer, because when it's harder water it's got more magnesium and calcium in it, and I don't get so much tummy troubles. So when I live in places that have got soft water, I end up with things like a candida and tummy troubles, heart struggles with struggling with proper digestion and dry skin and all these other things. So I had this because it's I don't think it's called like remineralizing, but it's alkalizing, which is what the magnesium and the calcium deposits do in the hard water. And even though we've got hard water here, when you filter water, it filters some of that out. So I wanted it putting back in. So that's why I buy, because they've got one that just filters it and they've got the alkaline version. And unfortunately with this one, this is why I've ended up with a new one, is that they are no longer going to do the filters. So I'd had to buy a new filter. I think these are a bit longer than most filters, it's either 2 or 3 months. So that's why I went for this as well. But they've emailed me and said, oh, sorry, we're no longer going to do these filters. But would you consider buying the new filter and we'll give you 30% off, which was a really, really good bargain. So I thought, yeah, why not? I shall give it a go. So let's have a look in here. So start with the clean empty cartridge. Take out the carbon felt disc and insert into the lid as shown. Open up your clean pack and pour into the cartridge. Fit the lid securely on the cartridge. Half fill the glass jar with fresh cold water and steep cartridge for 3 minutes. Screw the cartridge into the reservoir and fill up. Allow 2-4 milliliters to wash out the jug. Add as it may have deposited. So you are now ready to go. So nice and easy. So we've got 45 days. I can't read that through the camera. What does it say? Okay, so that's your carbon felt. Cool. Another carbon. Sorry, you need to change your carbon filters every 45 days as well by the looks of it. And I've got 2, yeah, so that's 3 months worth, isn't it? Perfect. And you can subscribe. So yeah, I just think it's pretty cool. I mean, it's not completely plastic free, but it's probably one of the best out there now. And I love that this is glass, and we've got silicone. This is a silicone ring for the top there for the, where's that got, filter to go on to. This is the only bit that's plastic with the filters. So yeah, pretty happy with it. So we'll see how we get on. Thank you for watching.